All right, guys, today we're going to talk about variables and how we use those in coding. If you are a fourth and fifth grader, we've already talked a little bit about variables when we've been creating our game and Tinker. But in coding, a variable acts like a container, something that you hold information in. And once you create that variable, you can use it over and over again in your program. Some examples of variables are a calculator. So the calculator has to store information. So if you type in 1 and 0, the calculator has to know that that represents the number 10. Calculators have tons of variables, just like all of the video games you play, and computer programs have millions of variables that they have to store. Variables share and store the information of high scores in games you play. A variable can be created to display the number of lives you have left in a game. And a variable that you look at every day is the percent of battery that's left on your iPad. So today there's been an update in the foos, and there's a new game called Crocodile Catch. There's two characters. You'll choose either Sergio or Sophie, and they are on a mission to unlock rooms in a temple to find their grandfather. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be using these variables, these containers. You'll play as a foo, and you're going to collect different gems that are falling. So here's just a little video that shows what it's going to look like. And over here in the corner is an equation, and that's what you are collecting with your variable, a number of gems that is greater than 10 in this case. So there's three ways that you'll play in Crocodile Catch. The first level is you're going to play with the variables. You are going to get a math equation using greater than, less than, or equal to symbols. And you'll use your jar, which will represent the variable, to collect gems that will answer that equation. Then the second part, you will read the code. You'll unlock the temple door and you'll be able to code with that variable. And then the last part is once you beat enough of the levels, there's 32 of them, you'll have those variables now in your store and you can use them in Game Maker. So the rest of the class time is yours to use and play the new game in the foos called Crocodile Catch.